We'll guide you through how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi not working. So let's get into some different fixes. First of all, go and open up the settings like so. Now you need to go and scroll down and go and find General, and you then want to go and scroll down and find VPN and Device Management. Tap VPN. Sometimes VPNs can cause a problem here. Make sure they're fully turned off. You can even delete them if you wish. And then what you can do is try connecting to Wi-Fi again and see if that solves the problem. Then what you want to do is scroll down and go and find privacy and security, then location services, and you want to go and scroll down to system services. You want to find the option networking and wireless and switch it off, and you can confirm your decision. Then what we're going to do is perform a restart, so press the volume increase button, then decrease and hold down the side power button. Keep this held down until your phone screen goes black. Keep the button held down, your phone screen will go black shortly, release it when you see the Apple icon. Now wait for it to start. When it starts, you can come and open your settings. You want to scroll down to privacy and security, then go and tap on location services, scroll down to system services, and you want to switch on networking and wireless. You can then come back to your main settings and find Wi-Fi, switch it back on, and now hopefully your Wi-Fi will work and you can connect.